the sweetest things to me, like, may I help you and good afternoon. But she is corporate and she is programmed to give me what I need. I like to entertain the thoughts that this is how she'd be if she was with me. I'm in love with a girl in the Rolling Stone. I read her interview and she sounds perfect if it's all the truth. But how am I gonna get to her without stalking her and looking like I'm not right in the head? I'm cutting up the letters for the note that I left that said, I wanna find the perfect girl, the one who lives up to my standards. She's got to be an angel, a perfect little angel. I'll never find my perfect girl. I wanna fall in love with a rich chick, drive her car when I take her out, buy her gifts with her own damn money, let her pay for dinner and a movie. She'll buy my clothes, she'll pay my rent, she'll get my bills and cover my debts. Marry her, I'll be set for life. Daddy's money's making everything alright. I wanna find the perfect girl, the one who lives up to my standards. She's got to be an angel, a perfect little angel. I'll never find my perfect girl. So many girls that I have been with, so many girls who try to change the way that I feel. But it's not my fault and I can't help it, and I will never be happy. You seem sweet and oh so pretty, but we should take a break or just be friends. I don't think we're compatible, I don't think it's gonna work out. Well, I need to find myself, it's for the best. It's not you, it's me. You got to be an angel,